kind of de-trashifying the shop here. Got a Land Cruiser coming in Saturday on a trailer to be restored, so cleaning up the old drawers a little bit. So it looks like somebody with half a brain's doing it, but we won't let them know the truth, right? Got 4 guys working on this project, so I need to get everything where it is and make sure what's missing, what's not missing. Keep it rolling. I don't believe in giving idiots like Snap-on $3,000 or $4,000 for a box, so I just make them. All you need is a set of 100-pound drawer guides, and that'll handle everything. Tools aren't as heavy as all these guys make them out to be. It's just layout stuff for doing metal work. Drilling, Allen, drill guides, little backup, center drills, taps, chucks, sheet metal drills, basic collection of nonsense battery powered crap, but it's necessary these days. Don't have much in the way of air tools. We don't use a lot of air tools yet, but I'm getting ready to buy a DA, and I got an air drill and some die grinders and stuff, and a ratchet, but I need to go get some stuff before we jump on this project. Allen wrenches. Gotta go through all this crap, put another top back on that cart. Just piddling around. Gotta get it cleaned up. I got a few days to do it. Coconut head's sick, so I'm back at it.